Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's insulated cup holder on this RZR Turbo. And the first thing that we're going to do, just going to go ahead and remove our seat. So before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and apologize for how dirty this machine is. This is one of the machines we use the most for testing, and you know we have to do the testing so we can make sure that we have quality products for you. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to remove this T40 screw here, as well as one on the opposite side. These two push pins back here in the rear. There'll be a push pin here, and then one on the opposite side, and then a T40 right here. We'll go ahead, get all of our hardware removed. So once we have all our hardware removed, we're just going to go ahead and remove our console. Just be able to pick right up on it. Slide it right out. So now we have our console removed. We have it out here on our table. We're going to go ahead and flip it over. As you can see, here's our two cup holders, or the bottom sides of them. So we're going to take this piece right here. We're going to slide it down onto our cup holder. Just get it firmly in position, just like that. And we'll start with our bottom piece here of wrap. Take it, line it up, slide it all the way around. You can just pop through that tab right there on the factory cup holder. Just want to get it on there. Then we're going to take this piece and we're going to wrap it all the way around. So we'll just start down here as low as we can get it. Going to fold the tops around and just continuously work it around. It's almost better if you just peel it all off at once, kinda. Just feed it down in between. Just as you go, kinda tuck it in. Doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. Just gonna make sure that you get it all around. That way it insulates it good. We'll do the same thing over here on this one. Slide it all the way down into place. We'll take the bottom portion here. And line it up, stick it, and again go down as low as you possibly can with it. Start wrapping it all the way around. Just tuck it. Make sure you have all the foam covered. Make sure you get it all tucked around there nicely. Like I said, it does not have to be perfect. As long as all of the black is covered, it's going to be insulated, and that's what matters. Keep your drinks cool. Nothing's worse than going out on a hot day of riding and melting your ice in your drink. So that's the whole purpose of this. It's going to insulate it. It's going to keep the heat off of it. And there you have it. That's how super easy it is to install SuperATV's insulated cup holder. Now we're going to keep our drinks cool. For more information on this insulated cup holder or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.